Hello friends, hope you are doing good. Today I will discuss and guide you about Hackintosh, how to install macOS on Intel based Windows PC. I will take you through the creation of bootable USB, installation and configuration. As this is an end-to-end guide, so video will be lengthy. I have splitted this video into two parts. I will install latest macOS version Sonoma in my PC. First, take a look to the requirement which is needed for this installation. Open Core auxiliary tools for Windows. To generate EFI folder with plist file. Balana HR for flashing USB pen drive. Explorer++ for EFI folder modification. Open Core installation guide to download required text for LAN, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Then we need macOS raw image. Mini partition tool to mount the EFI folder, USB pen drive minimum 16 GB, recommended is 32 GB. I will provide all the links in description of this video. I have already downloaded all the required items and kept in dedicated directory named Hackintosh. Some of the software has been already installed as those are being used daily basis, but installation is very easy. What is configuration of my PC? Intel 10th Gen i3 CPU, Asrock B460M Pro Steel Legend motherboard, 32 GB of RAM, read-on RX 570 graphics card with 4 GB memory, Intel i297 Ethernet, Intel AX200 Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Now I will execute the steps one by one and guide you. Step 1. Creating EFI partition with Open Core auxiliary tools. Extract the zip file, double click OC auxiliary tools exe file. Please make a note that is not installable file. Extract and execute it directly. Below menu bar you will get toolbar right hand side. Click on configuration template. A pop-up message will appear with hyperlink named Intel configuration. Click on it. It will forward to GitHub page where you can download your template file or plist file according to your Intel CPU generation. How to check Intel CPU generation? Go to File Explorer. Right click on this PC. A window will appear. In About section you will get CPU info. Here my CPU is i3. Beside i3 you will notice a number. Up to 9th generation it was 4 digits, but 10th generation onwards it's 5 digits now. So you have to take first 2 digits to determine the generation. Here it is 10,100, so it would be 10th generation CPU, not first generation. In template section, expand plist and get the template file according to your CPU generation. Here I will select 10th generation. In 10th generation there are two files. One is for iMac 20,1 and another is iMac 20,2. You can see iMac 20,1 is for i5 and i7 CPU and iMac 20,2 is for i7 and i9 CPU. But mine is i3, so I have selected iMac 20,1, the lowest configuration one. In the page right hand side you will get download button. Download it. Copy the file in Hackintosh directory. Again go to OC aux tool. Click on OK of the pop-up message. Go to file menu and select plist template file which you have downloaded just few minutes back. ACPI and kernel file will be showed as red because EFI folder is not yet generated. So go to edit menu and click on generate EFI on desktop. Here one pop-up message will appear which will tell you if any file is missing. Here CPU friend data provider text is missing. Click on OK. See all red bullets turn green except CPU friend data provider. As that file is missing, in comment it is mentioned that file is for i9, so I can ignore it. You won't be able to see the EFI folder directly in desktop. To see that file in File Explorer, you need to go to C drive, then users, then my user ID, then desktop. Now you can see the EFI folder, right? Go to PI or Platform Information tab in OC Auxiliary tool. As I have selected iMac 20,1, it is already reflecting here. Click on Generate to generate SM BIOS details. Once it is clicked, that serial number and motherboard number has been generated. Click on check button to check Mac serial number. It will redirect you to Apple website. Provide serial number and CAPTCHA. If you are getting message enter valid serial number, then you are good to go with the generated serial number. Click on save button. Now I have to download Ethernet, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth driver. Go to this GitHub link and go to gathering file section, then kext section. From here you can download your missing kext. In Ethernet section, I have selected Intel Mozy as I have Intel LAN i219 which is supported. Download latest release file. You have to select driver according to vendor like Atheros, Realtek, etc. You can check driver from device manager from your Windows PC. Also you can refer to motherboard manual. In Wi-Fi section, I will download Intel driver as I have Intel Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. We need to download Bluetooth tool fixup, Airport ITLWM, Intel Bluetooth firmware. I don't need ITLWM as I am downloading Airport. Both would not work together. If you are using ITLWM, then you need third-party app Heliport to connect Wi-Fi, which is not the case for Airport. You need to download only latest release file except Airport. For Airport, stable version is not applicable as I am installing Sonoma. Airport driver for Sonoma is still under development and testing is going on. So I need to choose Alpha and download the Sonoma Airport file. Extract all text file and place it into EFI OC text folder. After copying files, go to OC aux tool. You will see copied files are reflecting there along with green bullet. Now validate the plist file. Click on validate button beside save button. It will show a message with result. Here no problem reported, so we are good to go. Save plist file and close the OC aux tool. Your EFI folder is totally ready. Coming to step 2. Create bootable USB. Download macOS raw image from olarilla.com. Click on given link, close the pop-up, scroll down and select desired macOS version. I have already downloaded, so I am not downloading it again. Open Balanator. In my system it is already installed. Install it in case it is not installed in your system. Click on flash from image, select macOS raw image file, select USB drive, then click on flash. It will take 15 to 20 minutes to create the bootable USB. We are completed with flash and don't need Balanator, so closing it. Now open mini partition tool as administrator. Select USB drive at bottom. Select EFI partition. Right click on it. Select change letter and give last letter what is available from drop down menu. In our case, it is Y. Click OK, then click on apply at extreme left bottom corner. Now the EFI partition is mounted in our default file explorer, but we don't have privilege to modify that. So we need to execute Explorer++ from Hackintosh directory as administrator. This is also executable file like OCaux tool, not installable. In Explorer++, you can see EFI drive Y. Go to the drive and delete whatever is there. Keep as it is if anything is not getting deleted. Copy created EFI folder from desktop. So go to C drive, again user, my user ID, desktop, copy EFI folder and paste it in Y drive. I will upload the EFI folder in G drive and share the link in description. So any one of you can use the same EFI if configuration is matching with mine. I am ending the first part of this video here. In next part, I will show you how to reboot the system with the created bootable USB drive, then installation and configuration. Please stay tuned to get the next video. I hope you will be benefited from this video. If you feel so, then don't forget to motivate and support me. And I can bet that I will be able to bring most valuable and precise content in front of you. Thanks for watching. Have a great time rest of your day.